topic I'm choosing today now is computer engineering, opportunities in computer engineering. Why computer engineering? This is very important. Now understand, after the year of 1990, when Rajiv Gandhi was Prime Minister, he framed a committee of Sam Pitroda, Manmohan Singh, and Mr. P. Chidambaram and Monty Singh Ahluwalia. Now these four people have designed one policy to open up Indian economy, and Dunkel proposal, accepted the Dunkel proposal, wherein the technology has come in flow with multinational companies in 1990-91. So in 90s, the computerization started. The computerization started in India in 90s. In 93, 92, engineering branch colleges adopted the computer engineering branch. In Y2K in 1998 and 99, this computerization, the software engineering branch in India has boomed up, and thousands of engineers from India moved to America for Y2K. This has proven the engineering education in India has best talent, and migration of Indian engineers in USA due to Y2K problem has proven that teaching in engineering has best potential outside. So the software engineers, computer engineers, or other engineers also migrated in computer 1998 and 99, settled in America, gathered in California, and the Silicon Valley came up. Software industry boomed up. Various types of technologies came and started from, say, Lisp and DBase to Python now, and machine learning. Internet of Things has come up. Understand, computer engineer is a software engineer, is a computer engineer, has a big time scope, because computer is operating. The investment in computer, say 30,000, 50,000 rupees is a computer. The work here is done by the brain. Your brain is working to design the software. That's why here the salaries are very high in computer engineering. Here the salary starts from minimum 10,000 rupees. Generally, the average salary for a computer engineer is about 25,000 rupees, is about 3.5 lakhs. General engineering student in computer, the salary is 3.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs rupees. So the salary is very high in computer engineering. The logic required for basics of computer is basics of mathematics majorly. Good student having good marks in mathematics and English is good, can become a good computer engineer. Now understand why computer engineering, because in US and UK, if you take the salary difference of an engineer, it is more than about 20-25 times. So the money coming in dollar and pounds is being absorbed by these companies and being paid off to the computer engineering in India, who are working for US and UK project and Australia and other projects also. So the salary is very huge in computer engineering. The salary structure is very high, plus the growth rate is very high, because all the projects coming from US and UK has been deployed in India. The companies which are mass recruiting companies like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Cognizant, and Wipro, these mass recruiting companies are getting huge projects with 10,000s of strength in one project. They are deploying engineers in software field. In computer engineering, any branch student can switch into computer engineering and do their job. Now understand, here the investment of computer is 30-50,000 rupees. Brain is working. Now Indian education system, as Barack Obama has rightly stated, that Indian education system has proven best in the world. Now I remember one person, I will note down the name also, that he has, there was a discussion on Silicon Valley. Now Silicon Valley, this and that, California, Silicon Valley, lot of money being generated, technology developing, Silicon Valley. What he said, no, there is nothing in California. There is nothing in California. It is in India, because 80% of engineers of California are Indians. More than 60% are Indians. So Silicon Valley is India, not California. Or the money or the major post has been occupied by Indians. So Indian brain, Indian education system has proven to be the best in the world. So there are huge, infinite scope in computer engineering. Computer engineering is an infinite scope. Yes, there are some demerits, but I would like to state that the demerits are, say, 10% demerits, 90% are merits. Because a computer engineer, if sometimes, say once in 10 years or 15 years, there is a recession in the market, so they lose jobs, but they are settled now. I have seen in 2008, lots of people lost software engineering job, but they are settled now in their life, because the salary structure is very huge in lakhs. In the payoff in 80 lakhs, 1 crore even salary they are getting at a senior position. So do not worry. Being an Indian engineer, you can find better jobs, better options, majorly in computer engineering. This policy of Indian government has proven to be the best, and it is settled now. After, say, 1990, now 2020 is coming, 30 years. One generation has performed best in engineering and showing best of the capacity in the world. We are on top due to computerized software industry. So huge scope, lot of scope, very few demerits, best salary, best lifestyle, opportunities abroad in the world is the only branch, computer engineering. You should opt it for now. This is Pramod Dasturkar. Thank you very much.